Oh, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be doing some more football, continuing on or adding on.
Because everybody loved the last one.
Yay! So
Congratulations to the chefs.
yep. Yay!
Great googly moogly.
Yay!
Yeah, that's a good comeback. It was actually, I'll tell you what, it was one of the best games I'd seen in a long time.
There was a rough in the passer that I saw in there.
Didn't it have me at the edge of your seat?
No.
No.
Not really. Because, of course, Kansas City is going to win. Because they're Kansas City. They don't some passes. Alright. Catch of the century.
Oh, boy. That was the wind.
Sure. Fine. So they'll play again.
Straight that way. Set.
No, it's a fake handoff. I come in, do a fake handoff to me. Oh. Oh, fine. Straight to his hands.
Well, ideally you get a pass my hand.
That is dimes. A dime. That makes noise. It's fine. Start deep. Start deep. They can see us. Right? Never mind. Sorry for all this positioning camera stuff.
22, 48. Set.
That was an amazing catch. You have to give it up for me.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Chiefs won, but I tell you what, I was at the edge of my seat the whole game. I haven't seen a good game like that in a long time. And, yeah, I had a couple of dimes on a few things, and it wasn't Brock Purdy needed to hit like 225 yards to win. And he didn't get there until the overtime. So the overtime helped me. I got that. So that was it. It was pretty good.
See, that was what I was talking about last night.
All right, so
See, don't be like the person in the car.
I'm gonna throw it, and the end line is the grass, and you're gonna stay inbounds 2 feet inbounds.
Hey, you gotta appreciate. I went like this.
Toe drag swag. Okay?
Nah, that was a good catch. Gotta give it up for that. That was a good catch.
Ready, set, put. Yeah. See what happens when you don't listen to the coach? You get into an argument, like Travis Kelce. Kelsey's gonna his girlfriend is gonna break up with him now because they said, oh, he gets all heated and now no more Tay Tay. Just gotta listen to the coach.
You're not appreciating Tay Tay. Right.
That's what the fans are saying. Oh, Travis gets angry. No good.
Facebook.
The people have spoken.
Facebook friends.
Now, stay on the line.
Oh. That was a good route.
Was the defense gonna tackle you?
No.
All right. Oops.
Shh.
Now, you know what made Tom Brady so good?
He could throw dimes.
That was a good thing, yeah. But also, he always listened to the coach. Always.
Coach suggestions.
21. 52.
So, it might snow for all you young people in Massachusetts. So, we may not have school tomorrow, which is a good thing.
No, it's not.
Yes,
School
it
is good, children. Doesn't matter. You have to make it up at the end of the year when it's nice out.
Yeah, in technical terms, go to school, but if you don't really like school, it's good. Yeah.
Cheer up, kid. It'll get a lot worse when you're older.
Disclaimer, don't believe anything I say.
Yeah, everybody loves their job. Set. Exactly.
What are you doing?
Dancing
Okay.
for the people.
Dimes, that's an actual dime.
$21. 43. Full start. Set. Oh, that was there, OBJ. Two hands. Oh, that was there, OBJ.
Yeah.
No. Thing is, my head was gonna hit the fence here if I bent down any further. All right. 15. 38. Right? Yellow flag. False start. Wide receiver.
Patrick, number 20.
I'm 87.
No, 87.
You want 87? Oh, that was a dime.
Over here?
I threw it where only you could catch it. The defensive back was not catching that. That's what a quarterback does. If I throw it at your stomach every time, you're going to get intercepted.
Go in dark mode.
Portfolio?
Oh, stop. I don't know what that is. Ask your parents.
Beavis and Butthead.
Ask your parents.
Yeah, that's your parents. So we're blaming it on. Who was that to? Jesus.
That was money. That was money. That was a dime.
Yeah. If you're expecting you to gun the thing, sure. Just need a lollipop and I'm right next to you.
Interesting. Let me go one glove. Actually, no. Let's do a quick mini challenge. Every time I catch the ball, I get to get a glove. Every time I miss the ball, I go down a level. But if I'm already at my bare hands, it doesn't matter. Like that idea?
No, but alright. Yeah. Little scoop.
Scoop and score. What a scoop. Oh, show the viewers. Look at that.
Fingertips.
That's untouched.
They didn't even see it.
Alright, yeah, sadly.
I don't think they saw that
Good catch.
throw because they got your glove in the way.
Now let's move it over here. We're just going to be doing routes. Quick little routes. That's good. I have one glove.
Michael Jackson.
Why?
Michael Jackson had one glove.
Now, final level. So, if I don't catch this, we go to the start. And have to redo. Yeah. Yay! I've said yay way too much in this video.
Long video.
Not as long as.
Got to keep it under 15. That's what YouTube wants.
No.
People start to get bored. The attention span of 11-year-olds.
Nah.
Cut.
Let's do one more for the hoops and giggles. It's funny.
What's the worst throw I ever
Hey!
seen?
you went like this.
Oh, mine was a good throw. Tape and grease. And oh. Did you make a football move? Is it a fumble? I don't know. Pretty sure it's incomplete.
Yep. Back to the start. Well, guess we go back to the start now. Yay! Like I said, I've said yay way too much in this video. This video is gonna be way too long if I do this. I was like I had it. Like,
Set. No, not me.
he did the same, so I do it to him. So that's how it works. Let us know how your Monday went. Mine went absolutely garbage because Mondays are always trash. So yeah, it's nice. Let me know in the comments. If not, let us know on our cardboard gun video.
All right, last one.
No.
Yep.
We need to get to max.
What?
We need to get to max.
Yeah.
Max gloves.
Set. Like that last one, my arm is dead.
Go better.
Throw better. Thank you. Kick better.
What do you mean? That's impressive. Lots of views. On a kickoff, Kansas City. Remember that? Butker.
Yep.
The Kansas City kicked it. Hit the last goalpost. Hit the goalpost. That's pretty impressive. If you ask me, and I also hit down here. I can show you. Right here. This thing. Just now. So, yeah. That was pretty impressive. We were very surprised.
Yeah. You're right, you don't deserve 87. 87 would have caught that.
Sure. I don't want to be Gronk anymore.
Set up.
Oh, what a catch. I didn't even see it because you're out of focus.
Sorry. Anyway, tomorrow's a snow day.
Yep.
And next week I'm going to be on vacation. So
Over here.
next week I'm going to be on vacation in the Caribbean. And I'm leaving him in the snow with his mom.
We'll make videos.
Sounds cool.
Make at least one video because, like I said, we went on Bermuda in our cardboard gun video.
Yep.
We did that, and I'm really bummed because we never got to make any videos with it. So
We'll make a video.
yeah.
Maybe I'll make a video going up the skylift. In
Sounds fun.
the Virgin Islands. All right, guys.
No.
What?
Need one more.
One more?
No, we need to get to the max glove, so we need 1 catch, 2 catch, 3 catches.
I told you my arm is dead.
Just you wouldn't get up.
Oh, yeah. All right.
No.
You know, if it caught it every now and again.
That was like the only catch that I could do like this.
What?
House tour soon, maybe?
What'd you think of the halftime show? Did you like it?
Garbage!
Yeah. Yeah. Get it?
Garbage. Yes! Gloves! I get a glove. I get to me a glove. I get a glove now.
What do you think of the Dunkin' Donuts commercial?
Stop. We want a sponsor for every single one of these. So this video better be monetized.
No sponsors here. Just sponsored by Nike gloves, Wilson footballs, and Carhartt shirts.
And Jordans.
Yeah.
And Hands. Sponsored by Hands.
Sponsored by Hands. Hallelujah, this is impressive.
Need one catch. If you don't, the video restarts.
No, I don't think so, Tim.
Yep. Yep, we do.
Ask your parents about that joke, too.
No. Most people have heard. I don't think so, Tim.
You know what it's from?
No. But I've heard it.
Yeah, because me and your mother say it all the time.
Fight!
Ah, you did that intentionally.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
22 minutes of pure quality. Good night, YouTube.
No.
Good night, YouTube.
One more catch. One more catch. One more catch. One more. One more for you
You're not
guys.
taking any more gloves off. Huh? Right on.
Here's a kick for good luck.
By the way, pro tip, when it's gonna snow, put your windshield wipers up like that.
Let me show him. Hello, guys. When it's snowing, put your windshield wipers up like this.
Show them how easy it is to do.
So they would be down like this, just like this.
Don't pull it by the windshield wiper.
Grab right
Pull
here.
it by the arm.
Grab right here. Bring it up.
And that'll
It's down.
protect the wipers
Bring it right up here. Right there.
from freezing the
like
rubber
that?
to the windshield.
That's good.
Okay.
Alright, YouTube. See you
When we see you.
in the next video.